you could still be that bitch in your mom jeans. You know what I mean? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a different kind of video. So obviously we all know I try on a lot of jeans on this channel and on my TikTok. And a bunch of you always ask me, like, how do you style these jeans? What would you wear with them? Stuff like that. So I figured, why not make some videos not just about me trying on jeans and giving you guys some size references, but also how I would actually wear them and style them. So for this kind of video, I decided to start off with one of my favorite styles of jean, the mom jean. And I styled my absolute favorite pair of mom jeans into 5 different outfits. So this video is basically going to be how to style mom jeans for curvy girls. So I've got a good range of outfits from super casual all the way up to dressy as mom jeans can get. So I hope you guys are excited. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button down below for more jeans related videos, other plus size fashion videos, and all things body positivity over here. But you know me, I don't want to ramble on any longer. Let's just jump right in to this video about how to style mom jeans for curvy bodies. Okay, you guys, our first look is this super casual, super easy, just like every day doing whatever you have to do during the day. Whether you're running errands, going shopping real quick, grocery shopping, it's super simple, super easy, super basic, but still really cute, and definitely a way to ease yourself into mom jeans. So basically, I just paired my favorite mom jeans from Fashion Nova. I got it from my mama in size 1X with one of my favorite bodysuits. You guys have seen this in so many videos already, but it is still literally one of my favorite bodysuits from Pretty Little Thing. They make this in a bunch of different colors, and I just love how well it fits. I love this, like, I don't know what this is called. I don't think it's called racerback, but it's like more like in here tank, super high neck. Well, not super high, but a more high neck. I just think it's super flattering, and it kind of snatches you for these mom jeans, which I obviously love. And then for shoes, I paired it with a pair of all white sneakers. These are one of my favorite pairs from Alexander McQueen. They're obviously very expensive because they're designer, but I wanted to pair it with this outfit because the back has a little bit of rose gold, which I think complements the pink. But you can do your classic white Air Force One, any all white sneaker that you have or you love, do that, and it'll be exactly the same with this outfit. I will link some cheaper dupes for sneakers down below for you guys to peruse as well. But I also got this oversized white shirt from American Eagle, I'm pretty sure. And I like this because obviously it's a little bit colder out, so you aren't going to be wearing a tank top right now during this season, but you just get like a big oversized shirt like this. It doesn't have to be all white. It can be whatever color kind of goes with the bodysuit you're wearing. So like you could do a flannel, would be super cute for fall. Anything like that I think would make this outfit perfect. And you can wear it like this, kind of like off one shoulder, super cool, casual, kind of covering yourself, but still keeping it like super, like you didn't even try, you know, like just like this. But if you're somebody that's new to mom jeans and you're a little bit self-conscious about your fupa, like tucking your shirt in and having your belly kind of like be on display, you can take an oversized shirt like this. This is actually something I used to do when I first started wearing mom jeans, and I was a little bit uncomfortable about like tucking my shirt. When I first started wearing bodysuits, oh my god, this was my trick every time. I would just take an oversized shirt and tie it around my waist, and that way it's still high-waisted. It's kind of cinching you even further. You have something around your waist so you're a little less exposed. You might not feel as self-conscious about your tummy because it is a little bit more covered. So if you are a beginner to wearing bodysuits, tucking your shirt in, wearing mom jeans, all that, then this is a great option because it's kind of easing you into it. I swear to god, you will get more comfortable with it, but doing this is just like a little hack to make yourself feel more comfortable, and then you can rock this outfit even better, you know? But yeah, this is kind of like my everyday uniform. Mom jeans, some kind of bodysuit, and sneakers is like me to the T. So definitely a very Ashley outfit, and I love it. And you can do this with literally any color under the sun and just keep the white sneakers and you will still be good to go. I also cuff them a little bit. You can if you want. I'm a little bit shorter, so I think when they're a little bit too long, like hanging over the sneaker, it can look a tiny bit weird. So I just cuff them, roll them. I think it gives it a little more edge too, but it's totally up to you. You just decide. Cuff one leg in the mirror and leave one uncuffed and decide which one you like better, and you're good to go. Okay, you guys, another super casual outfit with sneakers, and I have another insider tip for you. So basically, I just paired the jeans with a super oversized graphic tee. I rolled the sleeves a little bit, and I paired it with these like really cool cobalt blue and like neon green swoosh animal print. They were a limited edition pair of Nikes, and I absolutely love them. I will try to find something similar and link it down below, but I'll also link these down below because if they're sold out or limited, you can always get them on like Goat or StockX, so I'll leave that link down below too. And obviously you can wear a big baggy t-shirt like this and get away with it fine, super casual, super chill, whatever. But for me, I always like to tie my shirts in a knot just to kind of accentuate my waist and like give me more of a shape. So a lot of you guys ask me how I do it, and it's literally so easy. Take the work out of, you know, tying the right right knot, get yourself a hair tie and then literally ball up your shirt. You got to make sure that it's like oversized enough. Ball up your shirt, twist it, literally make a bun like you would in your hair. Twist it, make yourself a little shirt top knot, and then go ahead and take your hair tie and wrap it around. Literally just make a bun out of your shirt, and this makes it so that it's a perfect little knot. And then also, well, if you tie it right, not like me, also it does not go anywhere. Like literally all day you will have the same perfect little knot and you won't have to worry about it slipping, because I know every time I actually tie like a real knot, it falls out so easily. So obviously now we have a little bit more of a figure. Obviously your tummy is going to show a little bit, but you can always tie it a little bit lower so that doesn't happen. I don't mind it, but this is absolutely, first of all, let me get my chains out. There we go. Now it is a look. And if it is a little bit colder, you can pair it with, you can pair it with any jacket that you want, but I thought this kind of casual, more chill look would go perfect with like a black bomber jacket like this. So you could just throw this over and you got a whole look. Oh my God, what is in the pocket? Oh, earrings. I didn't even know I had these in here. Throw over a bomber if needed, but other than that, you've got a super casual, wear your funkiest pair of sneakers and coolest graphic tee little outfit, which you guys know I love. So just like the last one, this is definitely an outfit I would wear all the time, and I do wear all the time. So also a fave for me. Okay, you guys, our next outfit is a little bit dressier and paired with a cute little pair of boots. These are from Soul Society, but they're basically just black suede booty with like a wooden heel, which is super cute for fall and winter. I paired it with this Lulu's brown turtleneck, super nice and soft, sleek. You can do a regular turtleneck for this kind of look or a turtleneck bodysuit, which in my opinion will snatch you a little bit more and make you feel more comfortable, at least for me. I also put on my Gucci belt just to accessorize a little bit, pulled the chains out, got the hoops on, you know the deal. Same jewelry I wear in literally every video. But I feel like if you have somewhere a little bit nicer to go to work, but you still want to be casual, but like business friendly, that kind of thing, or if you're like going apple picking, pumpkin picking, something like that, this is just a little bit dressier, but still a super easy way to wear mom jeans. They still look absolutely fabulous. You put on the belt to cinch you a little bit more. If the turtleneck is a little bit looser like this one is on me, but I love it. It's just a super cozy fall winter look. Just find your favorite turtleneck, pair it with a pair of your favorite boots that match, and you've got a whole look. Super easy and definitely a good way to ease your way into mom jeans if you're not used to wearing them yet, because you probably already have these other pieces in your wardrobe already. So just pairing it with it will make you feel nice and comfortable and not like you're wearing a whole new outfit. You know what I mean? Okay, you guys, next look with our mom jeans is more of like a girly, edgy kind of like biker look. So I've got the mom jeans on, kept the Gucci belt on, put on my Gucci Moto chunky boots that I wear in like all my videos. And don't worry, I know they're Gucci, but I found you an exact dupe from Steve Madden. Both will be linked down below. And then I just threw on this tunic tank from Boohoo. I have this in black and white and it's so versatile and nice. Just tucked it a little, so it's like a little bit of a French tuck. Just tucked it in the front so that you can like show off the belt, and then threw my favorite leather jacket on. This one I got at like Saks Off 5th or something. So I will link some good leather jackets with gold hardware for you down below, because I know that was crucial for me when I was looking for like my perfect leather jacket. I wanted it to be nice and roomy in the arms because I hate having anything tight on my arms. I know you guys are like, but Ashley, your jeans are all so tight. My arms, don't fuck with my arms. My legs, strap them down, but my arms, I need to be nice and loose up here. So I will find some good dupes for this jacket down below, link for you with gold hardware. But this is just such a cool little like biker girl, edgy but still girly kind of moment. Like totally my vibe. I love the way the mom jeans look with it. You could also totally do this look with like a skinny jegging, but for me the mom jean really like complements the chunky boot really well. I like to just tuck in the back there just to make it like a little bit more edgy and like carefree, you know what I mean? But this is very like girl in the city kind of outfit, which I absolutely love. So if you're more into like edgy girly kind of things, this is definitely a perfect outfit for you. Okay, you guys, and this last look is kind of like how to take mom jeans out for a night on the town. So basically it's a super simple look. I just paired it with this nice wrap bodysuit. I got this at Forever 21 on clearance like a few years ago, so I will try to find something very similar to link for you guys. But I paired it with this nice wrap bodysuit, and then also just these basic black sandal like chunky heels. I love these because they're super comfortable. They're actually a wide fit too. I'll link them. They're from ASOS and I love them. They're basically the only heels that I will all agree to wear because they're actually comfortable. But yeah, if you're going out for a night on the town, out for some drinks, a girls' night, something, I think pairing your mom jeans with a simple heel and a simple flattering bodysuit is the perfect way to do it. I personally think wrap bodysuits like this are so flattering on curvy body types because your arms are covered and they're giving you a little bit of cleavage while also kind of cinching the waist in a way. It's kind of an illusion, but I think it looks super pretty. I love this kind of outfit. This is a staple Ashley like night out kind of outfit. This is absolutely all me. I mean, obviously all the outfits are, but this one is like very quintessential Ashley moment. So yeah, you could pair this with your leather jacket, your bomber jacket if you're going for a little more sporty. You could do a pea coat or like a nice long wool coat if it's a little bit colder out. But yeah, super simple, easy outfit. Just take your favorite kind of cleavage showing bodysuit and pair it with a simple heel and your mom jeans, and you've got a look. You could also do that belt, the Gucci belt or whatever belt you have, and accessorize a little bit more. But I love this. It's just such an easy outfit. Such a simple way to dress up your mom jeans. So you're not just wearing them when you're on mom duty, when you're actually like, when you're trying to be that bitch and not that mom. You can still be that bitch in your mom jeans. You know what I mean? So this is outfit number 5 and the dressiest one of the bunch. Okay, you guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments which of the outfits was your favorite, and also what is your favorite pair of mom jeans? I would love to know, and maybe try them out for a mom jeans try on video, like just do all the mom jeans. What do you guys think? Also, let me know down in the comments what other kind of jeans should I do a styling video for? What kind of jeans do you have just sitting in your closet that you just don't know what to wear with? Let me know down below and I will try to help you out. If you're new here and you watch all the way through to the end, you might as well hit that subscribe button and join our fam. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's Super Ashley 127 over on those as well. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.